A kitten was seen on the rocks near Bradford Beach a few weeks ago. Living in the cracks and crevices of the rocks and hiding from people, she was shy and evasive. Many volunteers responded to the spot after a concerned community member posted a call for assistance in the hopes of saving the little kitten. The tortie hid so deep that she was absolutely out of reach out of fear and hunger. Without success, volunteers attempted to capture the kitten using a humane trap and left food for it. On Friday, Emily and the other rescuers launched themselves into action and drove to the beach. The bad weather made it impossible for them to find the kitten. 2 more volunteers, Karen and Sarah, arrived at the beach early the following day to carry out the rescue effort. They discovered the kitten cowering in the now snow-covered boulders while the freezing wind whipped about them, but they were unable to reach in far enough to retrieve her. Karen teased the kitty with ham goodies and used a shoelace to get her attention. The tortie approached the string gently, captivated by its wiggly, worm-like appearance. The foster kitten quickly warmed up to her new bed in the room. She was curled up in her cubby hole, licking the velvety surface and purring happily. She went in and tucked into the food that her foster carer had set in front of her. She feels protected since she spends a lot of time in her comfortable cave and purrs and paddles when she is petted. With good people to guarantee a lifetime of love and care, the tortie girl is content with her new life as an indoor cat. Thanks for watching.